Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling NFC so the phone can exchange data. Open Settings, tap Connected Devices, and flip the NFC toggle on. This allows the Poco X3 radio to scan nearby tags. Once done, remove any thick case and set the phone face up on a flat surface to avoid interference, and keep the other device or tag within about 2 centimeters. This proximity ensures reliable magnetic coupling, which is why precise placement matters for the first read. Now you'll perform the actual NFC action. Choose the feature you need. For data transfers, use Nearby Share or a supported apps tap to pay or read tag function. Select the contact, file, or payment method, then bring the devices together. Make sure apps have required permissions, location, or Bluetooth, because Android ties some NFC workflows to those services for discovery. Once the devices connect, accept any prompts and watch progress. Successful handshakes are usually shown with a vibration or confirmation screen. To complete the process, confirm the transfer or payment success and close the app, then disable NFC if you don't need it always. If something fails, first toggle NFC off, wait 5 seconds, then turn it back on to reset the radio. Make sure cases, metal, or magnets aren't blocking the coil and reposition devices. If problems persist, reboot the phone and test with a different NFC tag to isolate whether the issue is the phone, the tag, or the app. This quick check saves time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.